This leave-in conditioner promotes healthier-looking hair, detangling and shine while preventing breakage and reducing damage. This leave-in primes your hair for flawless style every time. With its conditioning and antioxidant-rich Superfruit Blend, plus apple stem cell and biotin for hair to shine and reduce frizz. The Superfruit Blend includes apple, Goji Berry, coffee, Acai Berry, Indian Mulberry, Pomegranate and Mangosteen. With Biotin and Keratin to streghten hair, help hair grow. Marc Anthony Products. From curly hair and frizz control products to hair thickening products for high volume and hold, we have the right salon-quality products to help you care for your hair, your way. This Apple Miracle leave-in primes your hair for flawless style every time. With its conditioning and antioxidant-rich Superfruit Blend, plus apple stem cell and biotin for hair to shine and reduce frizz. Top reviews from the United States. Love this spray. I have naturally wavy hair. I use Marc Anthony's Grow Long shampoo and conditioner, which has really been helping with my hair growth and breakage, but it does leave my hair slightly dry. This Apple Miracle leave-in spray is the answer to that issue. It smells nice, it's more lightweight than his coconut shea spray, which I also use when I want that extra curl in my hair. Highly recommend, but it is slightly heavier. I find I have washed my hair sooner if I use the coconut, but this is now my go-to. It makes my hair soft and shiny and I can go longer without rewashing. Highly recommend.